Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. It's very rare when you can just open the box and enjoy the sound and aesthetical view of the mechanical keyboard. Like usually you need to do something with it. You need to change switches, or you need to change keycaps, or you need to do some moddings. But in this case, in this rare case, it's just it. So please meet AULA F87 TKL mechanical keyboard with double shot PBT keycaps and gray soft tactile switches. It's funny to say, but it was very hard to get the real information for this review for this exact keyboard. It seems it's too many different options or versions on the market right now of this keyboard. For example, check this picture from Amazon and on sales page, right? And check this keyboard in my hands. It's not the same, right? So, in today's video, let's unbox this keyboard. Let's check main parameters of this keyboard, what we have as a keycaps, what we have as a switches. Let's do the sound test. Let's do the RGB test. Especially in this case, it's very interesting RGB. And let's check the main sales point of this keyboard, gasket-mounted structure and ProDriver software, if I will be able to download it. Inside the box, as always, we have well packed with dust cover and all of it, mechanical keyboard itself. We have a simple USB-C cable, we have a very simple keycaps and switch puller 2-in-1, and we have two additional gray switches and user manual. Okay guys, obviously you can check the full description of this keyboard on a sales page on Amazon or AULA store. I am not gonna to repeat it, but let me bring your attention to the most interesting features of this keyboard. So, first of all, this is a 75% and 87 keys layout with very interesting white, green and black colors. We have three-way connections, wireless or wired or Bluetooth, and we have the switch on the back side and USB Type-C connection and USB dongle slot. Also, this keyboard includes 4000 mAh battery, which is a little bit more than standard, which is good. And what is really interesting that it includes also true soft elastic gasket structure, and you may see that this is really elastic. And also interesting moment of this keyboard, this additional RGB lights on the left and right side of the case. You have many different options for the keycaps color and styles. In my case, I even have something unique which is not on the pictures of Amazon store, and I was not able to find this exact style of keycaps on AULA main store. Regarding switches, I'm not sure if it's any options. During my ordering from Amazon, it was only one option with a gray soft tactile switches. I'm not sure what does it mean, is it linear or tactile? I think tactile. Let's talk about keycaps. So in this version I have double shot PBT, 3 colors with interesting centered legend, but I have no idea what this is profile. If you can help me, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think this profile is? Quality of these keycaps is good. It's actually like the most preferred style and type of keycaps. They're very pleasant, and also they produce this nice sound what you will hear in a second. Regarding the switches, PCB supports 3 or 5 pins of mechanical switches. These exact switches are 3 pins, but you open for the any options what you want and what you can find on the market. Switches are factory pre-looped, so they are smooth and quiet, which is good. Stabilizers also pre-looped, and they're saying that they are custom, but in general it doesn't matter, they're just also smooth and quiet, which is important. Okay, let's do the sound test, and you will hear why I'm so impressed of this keyboard. And after you hear the sound, which is wonderful, perfect sound for the pre-built budget mechanical keyboard, let's dive into the why it's so, and this is amazing. Just check this out. How many layers of different materials do we have inside this keyboard? So first of all, keycaps, obviously, then upper shell, then silicone gasket, positioning plate, pour-on cotton, switch underpad, one more pad, PCB, another switch cotton, silicone base pad, and bottom case. It's just amazing. All possible mods are already implemented in this keyboard, and that's why this keyboard sounds so good straight from the box. Personally, I don't see any need for modding. I think it's even boring. It's so good. Okay, what about RGB? So basically, as always, we can switch different schemas and colors. We have this RGB flanking lights on the sides, which is cool. Also, you can download a driver for Windows and change your RGB. It was not trivial to find this driver, and I am mostly using Mac, so I'm not gonna to install it, but you can if you want. Okay guys, as a summary, this keyboard is really good example of well-made mechanical keyboard, and for only $78.89 it's just a gift. You don't need to do anything with this keyboard, you just need to open the box, connect it to your PC and go ahead, do your gaming or typing, it's just ready. For the mechanical modding enthusiasts, I think it will be too simple. It's no mods required and it's nothing to do. Maybe you can change the switches, but that's all. Everything else already done by AULA. Thank you for being with me during this review. I hope it was useful and I will see you next time around. Bye bye.